Registering with HMRC and understanding tax responsibilities. Welcome back to EasyStepUK. If you're starting your own business, one of your first and most important tasks is to register with HMRC. In this video, we'll guide you through how to register with HMRC as a sole trader or limited company. The key tax responsibilities you need to know: when and how to file a self-assessment tax return, what you need to keep for HMRC records, and how to stay compliant without stress. Let's break it all down simply step by step. Part 1. Who needs to register with HMRC? If you're doing any business activity in the UK, even part-time or as a side hustle, you must let HMRC know. Here's who must register: sole traders. If you've earned more than £1,000 in a tax year from self-employment, you must register as a sole trader. Even if you earn less, it's still a good idea to register. If you want to claim business expenses, you want to build a tax record, you plan to grow your business partnerships. If you and someone else run a business together, you must register as a partnership. One person registers as the nominated partner and handles tax filing for the business. Limited companies. If you've set up a limited company, you must 1. Register with Companies House, which automatically notifies HMRC. 2. Register separately for corporation tax within 3 months of starting trading. Part 2. How to register with HMRC. Let's talk about the actual process. For sole traders, 1. Go to gov.uk/register-for-self-assessment. 2. Click Register Online. 3. You will need national insurance number, date of birth, contact details, business start date, type of business activity. 4. HMRC will send you a unique taxpayer reference, UTR, by post. It usually arrives within 10 working days. For limited companies. 1. Register your company at companieshouse.gov.uk. 2. After registration, HMRC will send you a letter with your company's UTR. 3. You must then register for corporation tax within 3 months. You'll also need to set up pay if you hire employees. Register for VAT if you expect turnover over £90,000, 2025 threshold. Part 3. What taxes do you need to pay? This depends on your business structure. Sole traders, you'll pay income tax on profits above the personal allowance, £12,570 as of 2025. Class 2 and Class 4 national insurance, NI. Example: if your profit is £20,000, you'll pay income tax on £7,430. Class 2 NI £179 per year. Class 4 NI -9% on profits between £12,570 and £50,270. Limited companies. Your company pays corporation tax on profits, currently 19%. You may pay yourself a salary, payee, and dividends with their own tax rules. You also have to file company accounts. Submit a confirmation statement to Companies House annually. Part 4. Self-assessment and deadlines. Key dates: the 5th of April. UK tax year ends the 31st of October. Deadline for paper tax return: the 31st of January. Deadline for online self-assessment and payment. If you don't file or pay on time, you may face £100 late filing penalty, interest on unpaid tax, additional fines if you are very late. Make sure you file on time every year, even if you had no profit. Part 5. What records should you keep? HMRC requires you to keep good financial records for at least 5 years after the filing deadline. Here's what to save: invoices and receipts, bank statements, sales records, expense records, VAT and payee records, if registered. You can keep paper or digital copies, but they must be clear and complete. Tip: use apps like Free Agent, Zero, or even a spreadsheet to track everything. Part 6. Top tips to stay compliant. 1. Register early, don't wait until the last minute. 2. Track income and expenses from day 1. 3. Use separate bank accounts. 4. Understand your allowances, for example, office expenses, mileage. 5. File and pay on time. 6. Ask for help. HMRC offers free webinars, and EasyStepUK has resources too. Real example: meet Ahmed. Ahmed arrived in the UK last year and started selling homemade crafts on Etsy. He registered as a sole trader with HMRC using his national insurance number. He earned £5,000 in his first year, kept all his receipts, and filed his self-assessment online before the January deadline. Now his records are clean, his taxes are paid, and he's ready to grow. If Ahmed can do it, so can you. Summary: what you need to do. 1. Check if you need to register sole trader, partnership, or limited company. 2. Register online at gov.uk. 3. Get your UTR number and set up your business records. 4. Understand what taxes you owe. 5. Keep accurate records. 6. File self-assessment or company tax returns on time. 7. Stay informed, rules can change yearly. Need help? At EasyStepUK, we are here to help. Free workshops on tax and registration, one-to-one guidance, PDF guides and downloadable checklists. We explain it clearly in plain English. Understanding your tax responsibilities isn't about paperwork. It's about building a strong, trustworthy business. Registering with HMRC is your first step toward that success. Thanks for watching, and remember, you are not alone on this journey. EasyStepUK, empowering migrants to succeed in the UK.